एवरीबॉडी। सो आज हमारे साथ आर्या है जिन्होंने क्लैट एंट्रेंस एग्जाम को एक बहुत ही बेहतरीन स्कोर के साथ क्लियर करके क्रैक कर लिया है और एडमिशन ले लिया है एनएमआईएमएस के लॉ स्कूल मुंबई कैंपस में। आर्या हमारे बीएडू केयर की घाटकोपर ब्रांच की स्टूडेंट रही है, जो एक बहुत ही कंसिस्टेंट स्टूडेंट थी। एंड उसने अलग अलग तरीके से प्रिपरेशन की, मल्टीपल एंट्रेंस एग्जाम भी दी एज अ बैकअप, बिकॉज इस साल क्लैट का जो रिजल्ट था ये डीलीड था। एंड it is very a proud moment to say that आर्या ने मेजोरिटी ऑफ द एंट्रेंस एग्जाम्स को एक बहुत ही अच्छे स्कोर के साथ क्रैक किया है। तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन आर्या फॉर गेटिंग एडमिशन इनटू द एनएमआईएमएस मुंबई कैंपस।
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
सो आर्या, कैन यू टेल मी कि आपका एकेडमिक बैकग्राउंड क्या था बिफोर यू डिसाइडेड टू अपीयर फॉर द क्लैट एंट्रेंस एग्जाम?
मैंने 10th standard तक I've been in SSC board. I've studied from Swami Vivekananda School, and in 11th and 12th I was in SIS Junior College, and I had taken arts.
ओके।
And then I started to prepare for CLAT from December 2023, and I gave CLAT in December 2024.
Okay, so you had 1 year preparation time period for your CLAT entrance exam, which means that
Yes.
you had decided that you want to pursue law as your career. So, Aryan,
Yeah.
can you tell me when did you decide to pursue law as your career?
Actually, it was during 11th. I mean, I've always had a fascination about law as a subject. मुझे बहुत पसंद था. But वो back of the mind एक मुझे डर था कि maybe it will be a little difficult for me. And because law is a very vast subject and उसमें बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं. So I was a little scared. But then when I took it up as a challenge, I was like, okay, let's just join a class and entrance exam दे देते हैं. फिर आगे का देखते हैं कैसे होता है. And luckily I found BEdu Care, so it was like a confidence boost for me, and I was really very easily I was able to, and also because I had a lot of time to prepare, तो मैं बहुत आसानी से क्लैट दे पाई और बाकी के भी एंट्रेंसेस दे पाई. So that is when I was like, okay, I can do law.
Okay. So, Arya, it is, when we prepare for a competitive entrance exam like CLAT, तो preparation strategy बहुत ज़्यादा matter करती है. What was your preparation strategy for the CLAT entrance exam?
So for me, consistency was the most important thing, more than anything else. I mean, मैं एक दिन में 4 घंटे नहीं पढ़ सकती. So I mean, at the end, it is necessary कि आप एक दिन में 4-5 घंटे या उससे ज़्यादा पढ़ो. But during the beginning, I had only one thing in mind, that I need to be consistent. And जो भी क्लास में सिखाया जाता है, I would go back, I would revise that, and I would make sure that I've understood everything. And I would ask doubts. I would ask a lot of doubts in class. And the teachers were very helpful, so they would solve them for us. And I think that was something that really helped. And also giving a lot of mock tests. These two things, I think, were the main things that helped me for CLAT.
Okay. So, Arya, would you like to put some light on the subject-wise strategy, like more details about it? How did you prepare all the subjects, and later on, what was your practice strategy?
Right. So for GK is very vast. I mean, you can never really be completely prepared with GK till the day I gave my CLAT exam. मुझे ऐसा कभी भी नहीं लगा कि मेरा okay, I'm very confident with GK. But one thing I will say is reading the newspaper every single day is very important. In the beginning, हमने not only me, in fact, all the students हमने इतना seriously नहीं लिया था. कोटक मैम ने बहुत बार बोला है, पार्थ सर ने बहुत बार बोला है, इन द बिगनिंग खुशवंत सर ने भी बहुत बार बोला था कि रोज न्यूज़पेपर्स पढ़ो, रोज न्यूज़पेपर्स पढ़ो. बट वो हमें बाद में रियलाइज हुआ. एंड आई थिंक फॉर जीके न्यूज़पेपर्स इज योर बाइबल. इट इज योर होल एंड सोल वे. मतलब आपका अगर रोज न्यूज़पेपर रीड हो रहा है और जो कोटक मैम यूट्यूब पे वीडियोस जीके के डाल रहे हैं, अगर आपने उतना कर लिया, इट इज मोर देन इनफ. सो फॉर जीके वो था. इंग्लिश के लिए जो प्रकाश सर हमें क्लास में सिखाते थे, वो मैं घर जाके रिवाइज करती थी. एंड आई वुड रीड बुक्स एंड टेलीग्राम्स. आई थिंक देर आर अ लॉट ऑफ मोर ऑनलाइन मैगजीन्स which Prakash sir had told us to read. So I would read that. And also newspaper helps for English as well because आपका vocabulary बहुत अच्छा होता है उससे. And I have always liked reading books. So मुझे reading speed में या वो understanding में इतना problem नहीं हुआ. But length बहुत ज़्यादा था जो हमें पढ़ना था for English and especially for legal. So I think practicing reading every day was very helpful. मैथ्स के लिए तो आई वाज वेरी वीक इन मैथ्स इन द बिगनिंग. आई मीन आई ओwe इट ऑल टू कुंदन सर. मैं इतनी डरती थी मैथ्स से थ्रू आउट माई स्कूल लाइफ. बट आई थिंक कुंदन सर की वजह से आई गॉट दैट कॉन्फिडेंस कि ओके इवन इफ आई मेक मिस्टेक्स नाउ इट्स ओके आई हैव अ लॉन्ग टाइम टू प्रिपेयर. सो ही सॉल्व्ड वेरी इवन सब छोटे छोटे डाउट सब कुंदन सर ने सॉल्व किए थे हमारे. एंड फॉर लीगल ऑब्वियसली कोटक मैम. मतलब अभी वो एक बार एक्सप्लेन होने के बाद हमें सब याद रह जाता था. सो लीगल वाज जैसे घर जाके एक दो बार रिवाइज कर लिया. एंड लीगल इज समथिंग कि आप अभी अगर आपने सीखा और आपने वो घर जाके रिवाइज किया you have to revise it again after every 2-3 days or else you cannot remember it because it's a lot of stuff. So I think because the explanation was so good, we were easily able to remember everything. And for logic, I mean, Pat sir had taught us such easy methods of how to solve the questions कि वो स्टार्टिंग में हमें इतना बड़ा बड़ा पैराज एंड एवरीथिंग देख के बहुत डर लगता था कि इतने कम टाइम में हम कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे क्वेश्चंस. बट पार्ट सर रियली ही मेड इट वेरी इजी. एंड I think practice and solving a lot of mocks is the only way you can go.
Hmm. Okay. So as you said that mock tests are very important, how often did you take the mock test?
We had mock tests in the beginning. First, I think 3 months we did not give any mock tests. After 3 months, we started giving mock tests every weekend. And then as the exam came nearer, we would give mock tests, I think, twice a week. So by the end, I had given, I think, more than 40 mock tests. And this included offline and online mock tests. So the Educare का जो app है, उसमें we were given online mock tests as well, full length and of particular subjects. So especially the ones for particular subjects helped me because maths के specific sum solve करना या फिर लीगल में कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के कोई क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करना इट रियली हेल्प्ड मी.
Hmm. Okay. So, Arya, can you tell me which subject did you find most challenging? Right now, you mentioned that maths was one of the challenging subjects. So, apart from that, was there any particular topic or a subject which you found most challenging, and how did you overcome that? Because self-practice is the key to success. So, what was that for you?
आई थिंक अदर देन मैथ्स इट वाज लॉजिक बिकॉज इट वाज वेरी न्यू. हमने पहले जैसे टाइप का लॉजिक किया था. क्लैट हैज अ वेरी डिफरेंट syllabus for logic and
Correct.
understanding the different, I mean, the words itself in the paragraphs are very difficult to understand. So it took a very long time to get used to actually reading such long paragraphs and solving the questions. But I think for logic, if I am solving a particular question, I will time myself and I will see how long it takes for me to solve that one RC. And then if and then I'll see how many mistakes I've made, and then I'll make sure that it takes a little lesser time the next time that I'm solving the questions. So I think honestly, because I was so used to solving these questions because of the mock tests that we gave, it was not that scary by the end.
Okay, fine, Arya. So, when you solve the mock test, it is very important we analyze the mock test results and start working upon our weaknesses as well. So, how did you analyze your mock test and how often, you started working upon your weaknesses?
In the beginning, honestly, I didn't take it that seriously. I didn't used to analyze my mock tests. I would, because I didn't understand how important it was. But after giving the first, I think, 10 mock tests, my score was the same and it was very low. सो एंड आई यूज टू स्टडी. ऐसा नहीं था कि मैं पढ़ नहीं रही हूँ या मैं ट्राई नहीं कर रही हूँ. मैं पढ़ती थी बट मैं सेम मिस्टेक्स वापस कर रही थी. सो व्हेन आई रियलाइज्ड दैट आई एम मेकिंग द सेम मिस्टेक्स, आई एक्चुअली सैट डाउन विथ ऑल ऑफ माई क्वेश्चन पेपर्स एंड माई आंसर keys, and I went through all the questions and I saw what mistakes I was making. I went to the professors and I asked them each and every single doubt. And all the professors, be it legal, be it logic, everybody um, helped me understand what mistake I was making. And I would make like a book. I had a small book in which I would write all my mock scores. So जो मेरा गलत है, जो मेरा सही है, and I would make little notes. So I think that really helped. And analyzing your mock tests is the only way you can progress. Because अगर आपको पता ही नहीं है कि आपकी क्या गलती हो रही है, आप आगे जाके उसको सुधार ही नहीं सकते. आप वही सेम मिस्टेक वापस वापस करोगे. So I think analyzing is really important.
Correct. Rightly said, it is very important that we analyze the mock test properly because we need to work upon our weaknesses as well. Okay, Arya.
Yes.
So, when we prepare for the CLAT entrance exam, it is very important we refer to the correct book and the resources. So, which book and the resources did you rely most upon?
I honestly, the only books I read was Be Educare के books because in in the beginning I had no idea कि मैं और बाहर कहीं से there were resources other than the books that we were given, and honestly the books which we had were more than enough. Those books and newspapers are it is मतलब उससे ज़्यादा आपको करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. उससे ज़्यादा आप मॉक्स जितने ज़्यादा दे रहे हो, दैट इज़ मोर इम्पोर्टेंट. So the books, I think only Be Educare, the books which were given to us by Be Educare, those were the only books that I used.
Okay, fine. So when we prepare for this entrance exam, it is a journey of ups and downs. Sometimes you feel demotivated, sometimes you feel stressed, anxiety hoti hai. So it is very important, that somebody is there to guide you, somebody is there with you. So can you tell me how was this journey of yours? Was it, fun? Was it having ups and downs? And what important role did your mentors play in that? It can be friends, it can be family, teachers, anybody.
So this 1 year was a mixture of a lot of emotions. In the beginning, it was a lot of fun because this was something that I actually enjoyed studying. So I was having a lot of fun. But then when the pressure started to build and when my mock scores were just going down and they were not coming up, that was when I started to get really stressed. I thought कि मुझसे नहीं होगा. And it was not only me, it was my other classmates as well. So I think that time the teachers played a very very important role. I mean उन्होंने कभी हमें ये नहीं बोला कि ये छोड़ दो या ये नहीं होगा या आप इसको स्किप करके आगे वाला कर दो, इट्स ओके. वैसा उन्होंने कभी नहीं किया. दे ऑलवेज एनकरेज्ड अस टू फेस व्हाट वी वर स्कैर्ड ऑफ. And I think the teachers were the biggest help. Other than that, my friends have been like moral support for me. And unke bina, if I was alone or if I had not made those friends in class, I don't think I would have able to. Even now I am going to college with those same friends, so I am very very happy about it that we all came out of this together. And I think family support is equally important because आप एंड ऑफ द डे आप घर आके अपना 4-5 घंटे पढ़ाई कर रहे हो, एंड इफ योर फैमिली इज नॉट देयर फॉर यू, आई थिंक इट इज क्वाइट डिफिकल्ट. सो माई फैमिली वॉज वेरी सपोर्टिव एंड दे मेड श्योर कि मैं और किसी चीज़ का टेंशन ना लूँ और मैं पढ़ाई पे ज़्यादा ध्यान दूँ. सो
Okay, Arya. So, Arya, would you like to share any specific tips or strategies on, for the next year law aspirants?
yes, so I would say for CLAT, I have seen this. I mean, I've seen previous year students and myself and other people do this कि वो मैथ्स को बहुत इग्नोर करते हैं या मैथ्स देख के डर जाते हैं और गिव अप कर देते हैं. सो मी आई हैव ऑलवेज बीन वेरी स्कैर्ड ऑफ मैथ्स, बट आई थिंक क्लैट की ये अच्छी बात है कि उनका मैथ्स इज वेरी इजी. इट इज़ द बेसिक. आपने 10th तक जो मैथ्स पढ़ा है वही आता है. यू जस्ट हैव टू प्रैक्टिस इट. एंड क्लास में हो या मॉक टेस्ट में हो, इवन इफ यू आर गेटिंग अ लोअर स्कोर, इट डजंट मीन कि एग्जाम में जाके भी वैसा ही होगा. बिकॉज मेरा आई गॉट आई थिंक 6 out of 8 मार्क्स इन मैथ्स, एंड मॉक टेस्ट में मुझे 3 से ज़्यादा ऊपर कभी नहीं मिला था। सो आई थिंक इवन इफ यू आर स्कैर्ड एंड इवन इफ यू थिंक you can't do maths, you should not ignore it and at least give it a try, because maths will really fetch you those extra marks that you need. Um, Other than that, I would say being consistent, बिकॉज विदाउट कंसिस्टेंसी आप नहीं कर सकते। आप ये कोई एग्जाम, स्कूल एग्जाम जैसी नहीं है कि मैं लास्ट मिनट रट्टा मार लूंगी या फिर मैं सब मगअप करके आई कैन डू इट। यू हैव टू गिव इट दैट मच टाइम एंड यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड एंड यू रियली हैव टू गिव इट योर 100%, बिकॉज एंड ऑफ द डे जो आपको समझा है और जो आपने पढ़ा है उस आरसी में, वो ही आंसर्स आपको हेल्प करने वाले हैं। You
Correct.
can't really mug up anything.
Mhm.
So I think being consistent is really important, and reading newspapers. I can't stress this enough. Read newspapers.
Correct. It is very, very important. And that were wonderful tips which you have shared, Arya. So, just, particularly one question which most of the students await for, that is, what was your experience on the day of the CLAT paper?
Oh my god, I was really scared. I was really, मैंने कोटक मैम को कॉल किया था, मैंने फाद सर को कॉल किया है, मुझे बहुत टीचर्स के मैसेजेस आए हैं कि ऑल द बेस्ट, इट्स ओके, यू कैन डू इट। आई वाज सो स्ट्रेस्ड, आई हैड नॉट ईटन द एंटायर डे। मैं सुबह कुछ खा के नहीं गई थी। आई वाज लिटरली शिवरिंग ऑन द डे ऑफ द एग्जाम, बट आई थिंक बैक ऑफ माई माइंड वो ये भी मुझे पता था कि मैंने 1 साल प्रिपेयर किया है। सो ऐसा नहीं है कि आई हैव नॉट गिवन इट एफर्ट या फिर मैंने मेरा 100% दिया नहीं है। सो
Mhm.
आई हैड गिवन इट दैट मच एफर्ट दैट आई वाज कॉन्फिडेंट कि ओके हो जाएगा, डर लग रहा है बट हो जाएगा। सो
Mhm.
आई थिंक एंड द टीचर्स जिन्होंने मुझे उस दिन जिनको पहले कॉल करके परेशान किया था, आई थिंक देयर सपोर्ट वाज रियली हेल्पफुल। सो या इट वाज स्ट्रेसफुल बट इट वाज अ लॉट ऑफ फन। एग्जाम होने के बाद जो रिलीफ फील हुआ है, दैट वाज द बेस्ट।
Okay, Arya. So, just one last question, Bacha, for you. How was your experience with BeEducare?
Oh my god, it was honestly the best, because this is the first time that I've given an entrance or a competitive exam. And मैंने एक नहीं CLAT ही नहीं दिया सिर्फ। In the beginning, I only knew about CLAT, but I also found out about SLAT, then NLAT, then I also gave law CET.
Mhm.
And स्टार्टिंग में मुझे लगा था कि मुझसे नहीं होगा, एंड आई वाज जस्ट गोइंग फॉर इट कि ठीक है अभी ले लिया है तो कर लेते हैं। बट आई थिंक बी एडू केयर रियली गेव मी दैट कॉन्फिडेंस दैट आई नीडेड। और मैंने चाहे जितने भी डाउट्स पूछे हो, आई आस्क अ लॉट ऑफ डाउट्स एंड आई आस्क अ लॉट ऑफ सिली डाउट्स। Even you know, even all the other teachers know, specifically for legal I had a lot of doubts. So I think because the teachers were so helpful and because they never judged us or they never made us feel silly for asking such questions. तो आई थिंक टीचर्स की वजह से मेरा जो 90% सक्सेस है वो टीचर्स पे जाता है। 10% सिर्फ जो मैंने पढ़ाई की है, आई थिंक सिर्फ उतना ही है। So I am really thankful to be educare, because if I was doing this on my own, I also had that thought ki okay, maybe I can do it on my own, but now that I think about it, I don't think it is CLAT specifically is something that you can do on your own. You really need that expertise and that guidance. And maths ke liye bhi, I was really scared. So thank you, Kundan sir, once again.
Mhm. Okay,
Yeah,
Bacha. Thank you so much for your kind words. And it is definitely not just teachers, Bacha. It was all your hard work which has paid off, and you are at one of the top colleges of India. So, and once again, congratulations. And we all are very, very happy for your success. And we wish you all the very best for your future.
thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.